It's been a busy month here at Nextreef, but we always make time for custom keyboards, so here we are. This is Meletrix's latest keyboard, the Zoom98. Naturally, it retains the Zoom's excellent value for money, and if you want a almost full-size keyboard that is also budget-friendly, consider the Zoom98. First, let's talk about the specs of the Zoom98. Naturally, it is a gasket-mounted keyboard which uses gasket socks, so you don't have to stick on the individual gaskets on your own. It also comes with a polycarbonate plate by default, which is the one we're using for our particular build. Beyond that, it also comes with a hot swap PCB, both in wired form as well as a triple mode one that supports Bluetooth connectivity, a 2.4 GHz dongle, or of course wired. As for pricing, this is where it gets exciting. For the Malaysian market, Reebok Keyboards is naturally the Malaysian proxy, and it starts from only 850 ringgit to 1,200 ringgit depending on the configuration you chose. Needless to say, 850 ringgit for a keyboard this size of this particular quality is very good value for money. Granted, the 850 ringgit price point is for the wired mode and you don't get the cute little LCD here that is only reserved for the triple mode PCB, which starts at 975 ringgit. So, what do I like about the Zoom98? Well, of course, the typing experience is still as nice as ever. With this polycarbonate plate, the typing is soft, comfortable, and pretty bouncy from what I can tell. The polycarbonate plate of the Zoom98 also deepens the sound profile, so you get this pretty nice, poppy, and relatively quiet typing experience. Do note that for our particular build, we did not use the PORON switch foam because if we do, it'll just sound like any other keyboard with a PE sheet installed, so yeah. Despite that, this is still to me a comfortably quiet and more talky than it is clacky, which is just right up my alley. If you get the triple mode PCB, you will also get this LCD display by default, and let me tell you, it is much improved from the one found on the Zoom75. The dock animation, for example, is a lot smoother now. As you type faster, so will the dock run faster, and I just really like this small touch. Build quality of the Zoom98 is without a doubt still very good despite its affordable price tag, and this keyboard is very heavy and you can just see how big it is, and despite its large form factor, it still feels very well built, and I'm very sure this can hurt somebody if it falls on their toes or anything like that. So that is a good thing in a way because everybody likes a hefty keyboard, right? Oh, you also got this very nice side lighting here, and of course you've got RGB support, if you like it. Further enhancing the value proposition of the Zoom98 is the WS stabs that comes by default with this keyboard, and it is very good. We installed it straight out of the box without even lubing it, and it sounds great, which is, you know, fantastic because lubing stabilizer is one of the tasks that I really hate, and not having to do that is fantastic. Now, for things that I don't quite like about the Zoom98, starting with this little knob here that just lights up. It looks a little bit like a UFO, but it just looks weird. But thankfully, this will actually be changed to a different design in the final production unit, so thank goodness for that. Besides that, during the build process, the feet was a little bit tricky to install, and as you can see, it doesn't look very nice and it's not cut to the correct length basically. But again, thankfully this is just a prototype unit, and Meletrix said that this will be addressed in the final production unit, so that's good. And beyond some of these small little niggles, there's really not much fault with this keyboard. I mean, I personally don't want a keyboard this big, but that's really something that you have to decide for yourself whether you like the layout or not. So, layout notwithstanding, this keyboard with this build quality, this level of typing experience and sound at this price point, what more can you ask for? So to answer the question whether or not the Zoom98 is worth it, it is absolutely worth it if you want a keyboard this size, because there are just so many Zoom layouts right now, from the Zoom98 to Zoom75, the Zoom TKL, and even the Zoom65, which were released twice. So it really comes down to the layout that you like, and if you want a almost full-size keyboard with the Zoom98 at this price point, again, it's fantastic value, and the only downside to this is perhaps the delivery timeline. The group buy for the Zoom98 will end on 30th October and the estimated delivery is sometime in February 2024. 4 months of waiting time is not too bad, but this is still just an estimate and some folks may not have the patience to wait that long for this keyboard. So that is our review of Meletrix's latest keyboard, the Zoom98. As usual, we will leave you guys with a sound test of this fantastic value for money keyboard. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextriff.com.